guys, what's going on? We're getting ready to do a walk around on this 1969 Dodge Charger RT. It is a numbers matching car. The motor, the transmission, the rear end is all numbers matching. You can find out everything about this car on our website, theraceshop.com, in Eldon Mo. We'll have a bunch of still pictures of it. I'll do a quick walk around. This is a very nice car. This is my dream car, but I'm not gonna buy it. $79.9. Interior's really nice. The pad on the driver's seat is covering up a crack. He got into it when it was cold and it ripped the seat, but it's not bad. Very nice car. Got a lot of still pictures. Sound of money. There's really no blemishes on this thing to point out. So. Comes with a car cover. I took pictures of the back of this with the car cover out and everything and pulled up the plastic. It's all perfect good shape. This is a numbers matching 440 car. It had some work done to the motor. Got some paperwork for that. And anything that was not original on this car that they replaced, he kept everything that was original that goes with it, like the extra set of heads that was original to this car will come with the car.
They don't see the value in it.
You gotta look hard to find anything wrong with this one. There's a picture of the fender tag on our website, theraceshop.com.
But your sweet lips a little closer
to the phone. Oh yeah, playing that 50s music. Gotta love it. There it is, guys. 1969 Dodge Charger RT, numbers matching. T5 copper chromatic color. $79.9, 1969. I'll be right back with you in a second or two with the drive video. What's going on, guys? Tater, Taz behind the camera.
We're in the Charger!
We are driving my dream car. And when I say that, I mean that with all of my heart. From 1916. Since I was 16, I sold one of these just like it for $2,500. Anyway, this is a 1969 Dodge Charger RT. Yes, it is an RT. Yes, it's the numbers matching motor, transmission, and rear end. Everything that this gentleman did to this car, like if he took off, there's a set of aluminum Edelbrock heads on the motor, but he took the original heads and put them in a box. They were running good. He just wanted more performance. This has about 512 horsepower motor in it. There'll be a lot more about this car in the description. There'll be underneath pics of it. We'll have a video of driving over the car. We'll put the camera down and drive over it slow. But I want this thing so bad, but I have plenty of cars at home, and I did not.
This thing came in, and he has not stopped oogling over it since it came in the door.
Yeah, it's.
He needs to bite the bullet. and get his dream car. Don't you guys agree? Yeah.
And then nobody would have it for you guys. But anyway, we're going to do a start. It does have a small stall converter, probably 2800, but it's fine. You got to just give it a little bit more gas. It takes off. So we'll do a start. It's got a nice cam in it. We got paperwork for about $30,000 worth of work done to this car. Alternator's charging good. The oil pressure is kicking up to around 60 right now. Fuel gauge works. Temperature's still sitting at 100 because we just fired it up. It's automatic. Like I say, it's the original 440 block. They put a different set of heads on it. And we'll take it for a little cruise. Goes right in gear. Got power steering, power brakes. This is T5 color. It's copper polychromatic with the white vinyl top. Got the black RT stripe on the back. Say all the pictures of this thing will be online at theraceshop.com in Eldon. You'll see the underneath the pictures of it, the walk around pictures, and a description of a little bit of the info and everything. We'll have a picture of the VIN tag in with the pictures, because you Mopar guys like to have the VIN tag and the fender tag and all that. It's all, we check the numbers on the motor, transmission, and rear end. It's all good to go. And it had an EFI fuel injection system on it, and the gentleman did not like it, so we took it off and put the carburetor back on it. There is the wiring and everything for the EFI. Whoa, this thing's got some power. The EFI box is still up under the hood. Shift's good. Steering good. Oil pressure is pegged like it's 70, so that's good. Doing 55.
It's got some really cool gauges in here. Like, I love the gauges up on the dash here.
This is old school muscle right here. Boys, I think there's a little bit of money to be made on this thing. We got it listed at $79,900. It has had one repaint. They did a damn good job on it. The interior is 100% original. The seat that I'm sitting in, the driver's seat, he got into it one day when it was cold to sit down and check some paperwork he had in the glove box, and it ripped the seam. It's not tore up or nothing, but the driver's side seat does have a little seam that's ripped in it. But other than that, you can see it's good to go. This is my dream car, man. I haven't slept for 3 days. 3 days, this old fat boy. But hey, I've got a 71 Dodge Demon, plum crazy purple at home with a 340 in it. I got a 72 Dodge Charger, Coke bottle.
Yeah, but you don't have a 69 Charger.
No, I don't. I don't. Oh yeah.
He's like a little child right now. He's a 16-year-old boy driving his dream car down the road.
That's a long time ago. Horn works. Now this thing this was a factory AC car. It has all the AC stuff on it. It worked whenever they had the EFI on it, because they had to use the wiring harness to go to the AC, and the AC is unhooked right now. He said it worked, probably needs charged, so we might need to do a little bit with the AC, but it's all complete there. This gentleman is a retired cancer doctor. He's a real honest guy, nice guy. This was his baby for years. He's just moving on to the next chapter in his life. And everything he says, we got a whole tote full of paperwork on this thing. So if anybody's serious about it, give us a call at 573-693-7223. Taz the Pie answer the phone. He'll take care of you. Ask for Tater. He'll take care of you or whatever. But it runs and drives good. Shifts good. Letting off the steering wheel, don't pull right or left.
Oh, the brakes.
When I hit the brakes, it does not pull right or left.
Whoop, whoop.
This is a good driver. There's shouldn't be nothing.
It's a get in and go.
It's a get in and go.
Straight to the car show.
Straight to the car show. Straight to piss your woman off. I mean,
Oh, no.
Straight to take your woman to get a
I don't know.
ice cream.
I'm on your side. I'm like, buy the car. That's
I know.
me.
I know, I do. I want it bad.
I have just as much of a car love as everybody else does.
Of course, I got to honk at everybody. No, act like this is my car now. Still. It's a good one, guys. Honestly, it's a 440 numbers matching, 727 transmission. The rear end's number matching. We had all that run with the boys in the shop. It does have AC. It was an AC car. Heater works. Everything on this car should work as it is. And if not, when you come in here and you see a light bulb out or something, we'll take care of it for you. Again, asking $79,900, 1969 Charger RT. All the windows go up and down good. All the rubbers are good. There's no rust cracking underneath the vinyl top like they always do. But I did a walk around video on it and a bunch of still pictures. And then we're going to do a underneath carriage drive over video. And we'll have that to you shortly. And then shortly after that, it'll be a walk around video. One might become before the other. I don't know. Depends on how Courtney does. Courtney's the boss on that stuff. She's the boss. Alright, guys, we're going to pull in here.
That.
Temperature's holding good. Oil pressure's still high. Alternator's charging good. She's kicking about 180. Everything's working good on it, man. We're going to pull in here, set up the camera for a drive over, and we'll go from there. So from me, Tater,
And me, Taz.
and Taz, and the raceshop.com, and Eldon Mo, check us out, and 573-693-7223.
Bye,
Peace
guys.
out.